Hi boys and girls, it's Shane, and this is Peyton, and I'm not sure who this is yet, but we're gonna come up and meet this person. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Shane.
I'm Jaden.
Jaden.
Nice to meet you.
I'm so excited for what I'm about to tell you. Guy has been one of my followers for what, 2 years?
Yeah, long time.
And I inspired you to get into real estate, right?
Yes, sir.
How many houses have you done now?
This will be my 6th house.
6th house, most of them over a year. Not quite steel toe flip-flops, so be careful. Oh, there are cats in here. So this house you just purchased, and I got to help you do it.
A lot of fun. First time seeing it too.
Yeah, you bought this one without looking at it first, really.
I haven't seen.
Yeah, you saw the outside, but not the inside. And you didn't know we would have these little guys in here. They don't seem too angry. Give me a like if you like the kitties. Oh, there's the other one. That one seems a little bit more shy. So you got this house for how much?
Got it for $21,600.
Okay. You know there are old pocket doors in here?
Yeah, and they covered them up because they used to do taxes.
Yeah, they're trying to avoid paying taxes. That's right.
Yeah.
I bet you if you open it up, I bet it's still in there. Cool. So any of the things that are in here are yours now too. Ooh, you got a knife.
Anybody that wants to get this can come by.
Anybody that wants it can come get it. Yeah. Cleaning it out is always fun. I've got a house right now. We're about to take this plastic stuff off the walls.
I don't know what that stuff is.
It was something they used for kitchens and bathrooms. I want to say in the 60s. So you can kind of think of it like a paneling, but more waterproof. Couple of areas. That's not surprising given the condition of the roof. I'm actually surprised how little water damage I see.
There's definitely some bowing in the floors and stuff. Not
Just a little bit. This isn't bad. Ooh, this is pleasant. So is it better or worse than you thought?
Honestly, a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Whenever I saw the outside of it, I thought the inside was going to be in shambles.
I actually think you can save these floors. Let me go look and how do I get around to there? I guess just that way is the only way. Figured it had a... Ooh, this trim is really cool. Okay, so this has had a lot of water in here. So we definitely have a bunch of rot. Okay, that just for those of you who don't know, this is the ceiling, and it's supposed to be up there. So if you're wondering what it is down here, this is the ceiling. And sometimes the floor and the ceiling try to switch places, and that's usually not a good thing, and that's what's happening here. But that's really not that big of a deal. And you got like a dental chair here, or a salon chair.
Looks like it.
And a thing catching some of the water, so there was a water leak, and they set this up to catch some of it to reduce some of the damage. We knew from the outside that there was a damaged area of roof, so I'm betting that was over this room, and that's what's led to this ceiling collapse. How much do you think it's going to take him to fix all this? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see what y'all's estimates will be, and we'll run his numbers when he's all finished. Oh, you had a cool telescope. Very cool. It's always interesting to see the things that are left in a house. We're going to find out if there's pocket doors or not. We're going to find out. What do you think? Will there be pocket doors? Maybe we should cut the video right here and not show the end. No, I wouldn't do that to you. Oh, it looks like it. Maybe.
It may be in there. I'm not sure.
Let me get a light and see.
They're there. They're gone.
No, they're not in there anymore.
Sad.
That was definitely what it was made for. You can also see inside the wall cavity behind the old plaster. How long have you actually, like just a few minutes ago, you got in this house for the first time?
Yeah, first time I've ever seen it.
So you haven't been in this door yet either.
No, I have not.
Let's open that door. I'm kind of curious what's in there. This might actually go upward. Oh, it does.
Oh my gosh.
This is about to get way better.
This is crazy.
Do you want to go first or me?
Yeah, you can go first.
I'm wearing my steel toe flip-flops. I'll go first.
Safety always matters.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Whoa.
Ah, sweet.
Wow.
Wow, it's hot up here right now.
It is mad hot up here.
Woo.
Wow, this is crazy.
Who knows what you're going to find up here, too. Some kind of old stuffed animal. Oh, it's an old mouse. I think he's public domain now. Can I say his name? Let's see. It looks like you've got some Romex and stuff up here that's been rewired.
Yeah,
So I see some Romex, so that's good. You may not even have to get into the wiring on this. just asked a question about the transoms. So this was the air conditioning that we had when this house was originally built. So this will have a catch on it here that's supposed to hold it. So that holds that open so the air can pass through. And these doors would have had transoms over it so you could open, so the doors could be shut, but you could have airflow through a house. That's